Hello, welcome to today's educational video tutorial on how to buy KASPA, that is KAS, in Canada. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to buy KASPA in Canada within just a few minutes. If today is the first time we're meeting, hi, I'm Blooming Omorin, your trusted money coach. Follow me on Facebook for more educational content on investing and personal finance. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. This video is a two-part series. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to buy KASPA in Canada. In my next video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to transfer KASPA to your Tangem crypto hardware wallet. It's important for you to never leave your crypto on any exchange, and this is to avoid you losing your crypto investment. If you don't have a Tangem wallet, you can scroll to the description section below to access the official Tangem wallet website. And don't forget to use my discount code Blooming to get 10% off your order. So let's dive in. How to buy KASPA in Canada. Step 1. Log into your preferred crypto exchange. For example, Index, BitBuy, Coinberry, Coinbase. In Canada, Index is one of the top and robust crypto exchanges. Today's tutorial, we're going to be performing this transaction on Index, a top Canadian crypto exchange, and also on KuCoin, a global crypto exchange. So first, you need to have both an Index account and a KuCoin account. If you don't have both of this account, you can scroll to the description section below for the links to open an account on Index and also KuCoin. Okay, so again, you need to have both an Index account and also a KuCoin account. So go ahead and log into your Index account. Once you're logged into Index account, make sure that your wallet is funded. If your wallet is not yet funded, the easiest way for you to fund your Index wallet is via Interac e-transfer. If you look on the left, you can see my wallet. If you click on that, this is going to show you the Canadian dollar amount. You see that I have about 30 Canadian dollars here. Or if you have not funded your crypto account, that is your Index account, I'm going to show you a very quick way for you to fund your Index wallet. Okay, so what you need to do quickly is just to click on deposit, click on Interac e-transfer. Then you see this unique message code here, this one that starts with WJ. You are going to have your own unique code. This is what you're going to include in the Interac memo. Okay, this is very, very important. So once you want to send the Interac, you can see right at the bottom here, this is the name, this is the email, this is the security question, and this is the security answer. I always recommend that you just copy. You can see this button, just copy this blue button here, just copy and paste it into your Interact platform, okay? And don't forget to include this unique code in the memo. It's very, very important. And usually, if this is the first time you're going to be sending money from your bank to Index or any crypto exchange, make sure that you send a small portion first. Maybe you can send like $5 or $10 and make sure that that gets into your Index wallet. If that goes through, then you can send a larger amount. So again, this is the Interact details and it's usually instant, okay? It's literally very, very fast, and make sure that you include this. So now I'm going to assume that you've already funded your wallet. The next thing that we need to do is to buy a coin here on Index and then move it to KuCoin where we can exchange it for KASPA, okay? There are several ways for you to do this. If you just click on this drop down arrow here, you can either buy USDC and transfer this USDC to KuCoin. Then from KuCoin, you exchange this to USDT. And from that exchange, you can then use it to buy KASPA. The reason why I'm not going to be using USDC is because, for example, if I buy USDC, then send this to KuCoin, it's going to cost me about 16 USDC, which is about 22 or 23 Canadian dollars, which is quite expensive. But I'm going to show you a cheaper way to achieve the same purpose, okay? In today's tutorial, instead, we're going to be buying ADA, that is Cardano. So instead of you buying USDC on Index, it's cheaper for you to simply buy ADA, because when you're going to be transferring ADA out of Index, it's only going to cost you 3 ADA, which is about $1.50. But if you're going to be sending USDC out of Index, it's going to cost you about 16 USDC. Okay, so today's tutorial, we're going to be buying ADA. And from that ADA, we're going to send it to KuCoin. Then from KuCoin, we can exchange that for KASPA. Okay, so now we're going to search for ADA. Click on ADA. Now I'm going to be using some of the Canadian dollars that I have here to buy some ADA. I'm just going to buy $20 worth of ADA. So that's going to give me about 37.8 ADA. So click on buy. I'm just going to click on confirm. So if I go back into my wallet, you can see that I have about 37 Cardano, that is ADA. So next, you're going to log into KuCoin. So go ahead and log into KuCoin. So once you're logged into KuCoin, come under asset, click on funding. Now you're going to search for ADA. Here you're going to click on deposit, meaning that you want to deposit some ADA into your KuCoin account. So click on deposit. Now you can see that the coin selected is already ADA. I'm going to click on the drop down, and the network here is only Cardano. So click on Cardano. So this is my wallet. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. This is my address. It says you can only add ADA to this address. So I'm going to say okay. This has been copied already. So next, we're gonna go back into Index and paste this address, okay? So we're gonna be transferring the ADA that we just bought on Index to KuCoin. So go back into Index, click on Wallet, click on Cardano, click on Send, click on Cardano. Now we're gonna paste the address that we just copied from KuCoin. How much do you want to send? I want to send everything, so I click on Max. You don't need to enter anything under destination. You don't need to add any notes. You can see that this is only going to cost us 3 ADA. So I'm going to click on this box here, click on send ADA. And I'm going to enter my authentication code. Then I'm also going to confirm this withdrawal from my email. So I've already confirmed the withdrawal in my email. So I'm going to wait a few minutes for that transaction to go through, okay? One way for you to track the progress of your transaction is simply to come under transaction history. Here it says, I'm going to click on this drop down. It shows that this is received already. So I'm just going to wait for a few minutes for this to be processed. So next, go ahead and log into your KuCoin account. Once you're logged into KuCoin, you're going to go under asset. Just click on funding, click on history. Right here at the left, you can see that the ADA that we sent from Index is now here, so it's just waiting for this to be processed. Okay, so we're going to give it a few minutes for this to be complete. You can see here it's showing 21 of 30, so just a few more minutes and this is going to be processed. It's already 29 of 30, so just one more block and this is going to be processed. Even right here, if you click on the overview, right at the lower right, you can see that this is showing recent transaction. You can see that it says in progress, 34.72 ADA is in progress. So if you refresh the overview button right here, you can see right at the lower bottom here, deposit, and you can see that it shows completed. if you come again under history, it should show you the same thing, that it is now completed. Okay, so the next thing that we need to do, we need to transfer this Ether into our spot wallet. Now if you click on asset and click on funding account, it should bring you to this page here, and you can see the Ether that we just sent. So the next thing that we need to do, we need to transfer this Ether from our funding account into our trading account. Okay, so click on transfer. Now I want to transfer all the Ether from my funding account into my trading account. Here, click on maximum, click on confirm. So now I'm going to go back into my trading account, and now I have my Ether coins here. So the next thing that we need to do, we're going to convert our Ether into USDT. So click on Ether USDT. So now I'm going to click on sell, meaning I'm going to be selling the Ether for USDT. So I'm going to be selling, for the quantity, I'm selling everything. So that's the 34.72. So click on sell, and that is going to be giving me USDT. So also don't forget to just select market, meaning I just want to sell this immediately. So again, just click on 100%. I'm selling everything. Click on sell Ether. Order successfully placed. So now I'm going to go back to my trading account, and now I have USDT. So now that I have USDT in my trading account, what you need to do is now convert this USDT to Kaspa. So how are we going to do that? We're going to go under market, click on spot, search for Kaspa. So you can see here there's a combination for Kaspa USDT. So click on trade. Now I'm going to be using the USDT that I have to buy Kaspa. So again, click on market. I'm going to be using 100% of the USDT. So click on 100%, then click on buy KAS. You have successfully placed your order. So if I go back on the trading account, you can see that I now have Kaspa in my KuCoin account. In our next class, I'm going to show you how you can transfer Kaspa from KuCoin into your Tangem hardware wallet. If you don't have a Tangem hardware wallet, I'm going to leave a link in the description below for you to access the official Tangem wallet website. And don't forget to use my discount code Blooming to get 10% off your order. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and also subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section below. And if you would like me to do a video tutorial on any coin or token, let me also know in the comment section below. Until then, I'm Blooming, your trusted money coach. Bye bye.